What's goody goods, gang? It's Fresco VK, and since 2015 we've been waiting for the re-release of the Chicago Jordan 1, and it is finally here with a twist. So we're taking the first look at the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. These two Chicago Air Jordan 1s are very similar, but there's some obvious differences. So here on the upper of the Lost and Found, you'll find the faux black crack collar, which is made to look like a vintage Air Jordan 1, versus the 2015 that has the standard black collar, which is actually closer to the original Air Jordan 1 from 1985. The classic Wings logo is featured on both of these silhouettes. However, on the Lost and Found it's debossed, while on the 2015 it's printed on the upper. Both boxes are sort of the same, yet the Lost and Found captures the details of the original box from 1985, and it's inspired by looking for Air Jordan 1s in basements of mom and pop shops back in the day. Inside the box is receipt and throwback tissue paper, which is made to look like newspaper clippings from back in the day. Outside of the box, you'll see the mismatched box top along with a yellow sales sticker which completes the shoe's throwback vibe, while the 2015 Chicago Jordan 1 features the standard classic black and red Air Jordan 1 box. Whether it's 2015 or 2022, we've got your Chicago 1 needs covered right here at Stadium Goods.